Afternoon guys, my name's Quack and this is Quack Grows Soy or Quack's Allotment or whatever, yes. Today I am going to see, bees are quite busy in my bottle tunnel, it's quite nice to see. I'm going to dig up my garlic and see what they look like. I'm also going to remove a lot of the daikon radishes, white muley radishes, just to make some room for it. I'll probably leave one or two clusters of flower just so I can use the seed for next year, as I did with the broccoli we're about to see. And you can probably see that yeah, two of the garlic has died for some reason, so I don't know if I've got white rot or not. You'll soon see once I dig them out, and I'll prep the ground for growing my onions. Baby onions are coming on well. It's coming down the bottom as well, so I'm just going to have those ones planted out, and it should be a decent enough size for autumn. Hopefully a size of a slightly bigger than a golf ball, size of a cricket ball or something like that, just slightly smaller than a cricket ball. Anyway, size of that, where a bumblebee is. Yeah, hi bumblebee. So I'll see what it looks like. And there it goes again, busy as a bee. You see, I'm not really want to dig all the way down. I just want to dig it just enough to loosen the garlic. At the beginning of the year, to see if garlic can grow pointing the wrong way. So basically I put the nose down and the roots up, so it has found its way back up. Whether it's kind of restricted its kind of growth, I don't know, but nature has its way. Because some of the garlic has got white fungal on it, I'm going to treat it with some hydrogen peroxide solution 6%. When you mix that with, it says on the back 5 to 1, so it's 200 mils. Mix it in with a litre of water. I'm hoping that give it a good stir. I'm going to steep it for like 10 minutes, and hopefully this will kill any fungal and make my storage a lot longer. These are one that doesn't have fungal in it, but just going to treat it all the same. I'm hoping to use some of it for seeding as well, so for next year. So just give it a swirl and leave it for 10 minutes. And during the time I'm going to cut my radishes down. This kind of plant as well attracts these wee black beetles, which you'll see clinging onto the flower. You can just see them right there. They lay the eggs in the base of the flower. To be honest, I don't know how to get rid of them. There's loads of them. So that's another reason why I've taken it all down. And they seem to like the dryness of the soil as well. What I'm going to do with the roots is I'll probably pull them out and then let it dry, and I'll bund them, because this area's got club root. Although that's fresh soil, I don't want any cross contamination as much as possible. So I'll let this be now, and I'll prepare this later on. It's the same as the sprouting broccoli. I cut most of the flowers off and left the seeds there. Most of the flowers had already opened. So the bees had already benefited from it. That's it. So I'll get this done. I'm now going to swap over the garlic that's in the sanitising water. Oh, I put in new muleys in there as well. You see the maize tail managed to grow a good 4 foot up as well, which isn't good. So I need to give that a water. It's a bit dry looking. Right. Set that aside. New batch. Give it 10 minutes as well. Wasn't going to, but they look a bit wasted away. So these are garlic, these are elephant garlic and white rot. That seems to be okay, but it's starting to split. Not very big. I don't think I'll be growing these next year. Yeah. I need a bigger fork. Give me a second. Starting to bevel, as you can see. So I don't actually know what I'm doing wrong with these. This is the third time I've grown these, and I haven't got any bigger than this, to be honest. Give these a wash. So these are elephant garlic. Elephant garlic's not overly impressed, not that big really. So I doubt very much I'll grow it next year. I'll do a bit of investigation to make sure I've grown these correct. But if that's the size of them, then nah, what a waste of time. Normal garlic grows bigger than that, so yeah. Hey ho. So this day, it's been nice for the last week now, so we had some excellent kind of heat wave. So I'm just going to go back to the garlic that I had harvested and let them dry for about a week, like I said. So they're looking good. I'll wait till it dries things to be dry till Friday, so I'll let them dry off. That's the one I'd plant upside down. This one I'd plant upside down, yeah. Only thing I would say is probably to kind of prohibit it a wee bit. So it's okay, still good. This is the one that had white rot on it. Hopefully these have killed the fungus and will store a bit longer. Elephant garlic. Walk this way, walk this way. And there we have elephant garlic. They actually look not too bad. Once been washed and dried it a bit, but they are kind of small. So, cause, I'm two minds to try it again next year. I'll wait and see. He has to kind of investigating more, but I believe it's just like plunk it into the soil and put some fertiliser in it, just like any other garlic and onions. So I don't know what's gone wrong. So that's it. That's garlic for you. That's garlic for a year until November again. If that's saying, is it November or beginning of the year? So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.